Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever stood in the cleaning aisle wondering which products are truly safe for your family and the planet, you're not alone. Today, we're talking about Green Seal certification, what it is, why it matters, and how you can make smarter, healthier cleaning choices starting today. Let's break it down. What is Green Seal certified? Green Seal is a nonprofit that's been around since 1989, and they're kind of like the gold standard when it comes to safe, sustainable products. When you see the Green Seal logo on a cleaning product, it means the product has passed strict, science backed tests for health, safety, and environmental impact. We're talking no toxic chemicals, no fake greenwashing, just real standards backed by the certification, of course. It's not just for households either. These certified products are used in schools, hospitals, and offices. So yeah, it's the real deal here. So why should you care? Let's talk about that. Let's see what's really at stake here, right? A, protect your family's health. Conventional cleaners often contain ingredients like bleach, ammonia, and VOCs that can irritate your lungs, your skin, and even trigger asthma or allergies, especially in kids, pets, or people with sensitivities. Green Seal certified products are formulated to avoid these horrible things while still being effective. So you get a clean home without all the health risks. Now, why does that matter? Because after cleaning, all of that stuff still lingers, and you don't want your kids and your pets lingering and all that and getting all those toxins that accumulate inside the body over time. B, create a safe home environment. These products are lower in indoor air pollution and leave fewer chemical residue behind on your surfaces. I mean, that means cleaner air, a cleaner living room, not just a nice smell. Just as I stated, everything lingers in the air and the wall, and we all breathe that. There is a recent study that cleaners are actually expected to die sooner, probably because they're inhaling horrible chemicals. Not at Roochii Cleaning though. C, support the planet. Green Seal takes a full life cycle approach from ingredients and manufacturing all the way to packaging and disposal. So when you choose a certified product, you're helping reduce pollution, conserve resources, and keep harmful stuff out of the water and soil. I mean, we have one earth, so I know we have one life, but we have children and they have children, so let's keep it intact for them. D, make trustworthy, informed choices. Let's be real. Terms like eco-friendly or natural on a label don't mean much without third-party proof. Green Seal's criteria are transparent, science-backed, and verified by independent experts. You can trust what you're buying. So how do we find Green Seal products? Well, it's super easy. Look for the logo. It's a green circle with a check mark and a leaf. You'll find it on all sorts of products, from all-purpose sprays to floor cleaners and even dish soap. You can spot them at the grocery stores, big retailers like Target or Walmart, and of course online. P.S. Roochii Cleaning will be having online chemicals as well. But want to make sure it's certified? Visit the Green Seal directory online and search by brand, product type, or even usage. Now let's get into tips for making the switch to Green Seal products. Ready to go green at home? Well, here's how to get started. Start with one product at a time, like your all-purpose cleaner or bathroom spray. Baby steps here. Use what you have first to avoid waste, then replace as needed. Efficiency here. Now check for Green Sealed logo and avoid vague claims like eco or green unless it's backed by certification. But to tell you the truth, there's a lot of truly green products. It just costs a lot of money to pay for that green leaf certification. Now, use verified resources like the Green Seal website to shop confidently if you don't know anything about the brand or a little bit sketched out about anything. Closing thoughts. So switching to Green Seal certified cleaning products is one of the simplest but most powerful steps you can take for a healthier home and cleaner planet. You're not just wiping down a counter, you're making a conscious, impactful choice. And if you ever feel overwhelmed by it all, don't worry, we've got your back. At Roochii Cleaning, we only use products that meet Green Seal standards. That means every service we provide is designed to be safer for your kids, pets, and overall air quality. Now that's a guarantee by myself as well. So whether you're cleaning it yourself or letting us do the heavy lifting, you can rest easy knowing your home and earth are in good hands at Roochii Cleaning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite eco-friendly cleaning products. See you on the next one.